Is this yours? Thank you. See a good game standing here. He's not so interested.
No, he's falling asleep. He's falling asleep whilst eating. He's gone.
How old are they?
21 months.
21 months.
Yeah. Say thanks.
No, John's fault.
It's gone. It's gone. In between the next mouthful.
To be able to do that, that's amazing.
This boy can multitask, I'll tell you.